Perfect. Perfect power. Hindi siya nakaka-overwhelm for a beginner. You know, pwede mo pang ganun din, no? Laruin ng ganun. Yeah, man. This thing is built for me. It is screaming B1 all over the motorcycle. Damn, this is perfect. This is perfect, man. Yeah. Okay, pwede dito. Good. Maneuvering is easy. Man, this is the perfect fit for me. That's all I'm gonna say.